Myntri badai pet yakatanat PHE Marcus and Marak menta kesengi ke arpusan terek ujemang ulalum ya kejingelang bat ke Ophisar na kebentaban Buddien ya kejing pentre kam ya bonteli ke projek water supply ke Buddien hakeleng ke benta jong ke Jylla. Hakini kejingelang lawan banyadon lang nadu commissioner bat secretary, joint secretary, chief engineer, additional chief engineer bat ke Ophisar jong ketanat PHE. Kejingyalang kalaya keren ru Halor ki projek bakham kongsan kum ke Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme, New Shillong Water Supply Scheme, Tura Bulk Water Supply Scheme, William Nagar Urban Water Supply Scheme bat kiwe-kiwe. Myntri ulaple pak baru ya ke digital portal ban pensuk ki pak ki bakwa ban register lade kum ki contractor ha ketanat PHE.
Today, I had a review meeting of the PHE department here in Buddien. So in the review meeting, we had reviewed all the PHE departments projects which are being implemented across the state. Project-wise, I have reviewed, and I'm satisfied with the kind of progress that we are having. Under JJM also, I have reviewed. Under JJM, we have achieved so many criteria which Government of India has already set for, claiming the pending payment for JJM bills. Only 1-2 issues are pending. That also will be, fulfilling all the criteria very soon. So therefore, we are ready to claim the pending payment of JJM bills from the Government of India. And other than that, projects we have reviewed projects like Shillong, New Shillong Water Supply Scheme. I have reviewed Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme as well, and all the projects being implemented in Garo Hills, especially bulk water in Tura, and also the Greater Tura Water Supply Scheme, and also William Nagar Second Phase Urban Water Supply Scheme, Bakmara, and Velpara, and so on and so forth. Everything is under the good pace, progress. Some of the projects are yet to get sanctioned, some are almost on the pipeline to get the sanction. So therefore, I'm quite satisfied with the performance of the PHE department. Apart from this, today we have launched one new system in the PHE department. That is, registration of the PHE contractors. So this will be possible through online for registration in the class 3, class 2 and class 1. Class 1, basically we will not entertain the new entrants in the class 1 directly. So it has to be promoted from class 2. So therefore, this will be available in the online. Anybody who wants to register in the PHE department will be able to go to the link and then will be able to register themselves as first class contractor, second class contractor and third class contractor. So with this, I'm very happy. Thank you.